Yeah, so the men's club started about a year ago now. The men across the residential home were not doing much activities. They just wanted a men's session. They would come, have a chat, and have a pint of beer. Cheers. Cheers, John.
Merry Christmas to you, and Merry New Year.
Merry Christmas to you too.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
And you. We also do pie in a pint. That has gone down really well. Pie in a pint. And like I said, they just want to just have a get together and talk about men's stuff. France, 8 o'clock kick-off. What do you think our chances are going to be in the Six Nations?
I think we're going to do very well.
Do you think?
I hope so.
So we celebrated like Father's Day. So on the Father's Day, they have like, we do like a little party for them, like a little buffet, and we celebrate that. Then we also celebrate International Men's Day. We also celebrate National Beer Day. So they love that, international. So when we done the National Beer Day, we had all different kinds of beers from around the world and everything. And they had a tasting session of each lager with some sandwiches, crisps, and they loved it. And talking then, we talked about that beer, and we had like a chat then afterwards about where that beer come from. And now, have they been to that country on holiday? But I absolutely love it.
We have film shows,
yeah,
war film shows and things like that.
Men's films.
Don't have pole dancing or anything. I tried to persuade them, but they won't.
Which is your favourite sport?
Rugby.
Rugby, is it?
Rugby.
And do you sometimes watch the rugby with the other men?
Oh, yeah.
So you enjoy it?
Oh, certainly.
And do you like having a drink as well? Do you like a bit of alcohol?
Oh, yeah, indeed.
What's your favourite?
Oh, Guinness.
Guinness?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
They benefited, I could see they benefited a lot because they say after it, and a couple of days later, oh, I really enjoyed that, thanks Gav for the other day. Oh, when's the next one? We look forward to it. So I think it benefits, it ups their mood. I think it ups their spirit. And like I said, they're not just in their room, because that's what most of them, like I said, do. They spend, it's nice to get together and just have like a men-only thing, do you know what I mean? They really enjoy it, really enjoy it. Cheers! 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 Merry Christmas! Cheers!